Again, digital electronics. Last lecture, we have gone through the conversion from binary to decimal. That I am not going to repeat, but I will just tell the concept of MSB and LSB. Let us see the binary number and try to recognize MSB and LSB. I will write the number 10011. Okay, so these are the bits 10011. These are the bits. This is called as MSB and this is called as what? LSB. Least significant bit and most significant bit. Now this is binary number. Only concept that I wanted to clear now, that the leftmost bit is MSB and the rightmost bit is LSB. This is binary number. Now we'll convert the decimal number to binary number. I will consider first example as the number 48. The number 48, base 10. It is to be converted to binary. Now let us put it in vertical way. I will put it in this way and write it here. Just like in 7th, 8th, we try to find out LCM and HCM. But the method will be a bit different, as we want to convert this decimal to binary number x base 2. What we will do, I will divide successively by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. There is no remainder, so I will write here as 0. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then here I will write no remainder. 2 6s are 12, no remainder. I will write here 0. Again 2 3s are 6, no remainder. I will write here as 0. See now what remainder will be here. I will again divide this 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2. Now the remainder will be 1. Now 2 zeros are nothing, so it will be again remainder will be 1. Now this is bottom. This is bottom and this is what? Top. This is top. Note down all the remainders from what? Top to bottom. Okay, from bottom to top. So I'll write answer as 48 base 10 is equal to 48 base 10. Start from bottom, end at 0. I will write 1 1 0 0 0 0 as 1 1 0 0 0 0 base 2. This conversion is what type of conversion? This is the decimal to binary conversion. This is called as what? Decimal to binary conversion. Now let me revise once again. Take the number which is to be converted into binary number, divide successively by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. 2 6 are 0. 2 3 are 6, remainder 0. Again 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. 2 1s are 1 and remainder will be 1. 2 zeros are 0, remainder will be 1. Note down the remainders from what? Bottom to top. Note down the remainders from what? Bottom to top. I will write here bottom number as most significant bit and I will write here as least significant bit. Now this will be, as we have seen earlier, this will be MSB, that is most significant bit, and this will be the least significant bit. That means rightmost bit will be the least significant bit and leftmost bit will be the most significant bit of binary number. This is called as the double conversion of what? Decimal number to what? Binary number. Now let us see another example. I will consider another example as let us find out the binary equivalent of 39. I'll write here as 39 base 10 x base 2. Okay, I'll write here as 39 base 10 x base 2. Now I'll make a partition of page and we'll try to solve the sum. Here I'll write 39 and I will successively divide this 39 by what? 2. So let us start now. I will write here 2. 2 1s are 2. Here 1 will be left. 2 9s are 18. 1 will be remainder. Again 2 8s are 2 9s are 18. Remainder will be 1. 2 4s are 8. Remainder will be 1. Now 2 2s are 4. Remainder will be 0. Again I will write here as 2 1s are 2. Remainder will be 0. 2 zeros are nothing, that means 0. Remainder will be 1. So I will mark here as, I will write here as what? Bottom. Okay, and I will write here as what? Top. Again I will mark here as LSB. I will say here LSB and here I will say MSB. Now 39 base 10 is equal to, write down the remainders from what? Bottom to top. So what we will have to write? Write here as 1 0 0 1 1 1. I'll write here as 1 0 0 1 1 1 and the base will be what? 2. The base will be 2. Again, as I had taught you now, this will be most significant bit and this will be again least significant bit. So this is called as double method of converting from what? Decimal to binary. So in this way we have converted the decimal to binary using double method and we have mentioned the LSB and MSB. So in this way this is the double method of converting decimal to binary. We'll stop now.